So today we're going to be making a cocktail called a Rangoon. The Rangoon is a Pimm's Cup variation that's served at the Varnish in downtown Los Angeles. If you don't know what the Varnish is, it is the speakeasy style bar in the back of Cole's French Dip. Now, here's the thing. I'm not exactly sure who created this drink because this drink comes out of the milk and honey family, right? So here's the thing about milk and honey and all of the kind of bars and offshoots is that they all make, basically all of the guys that worked at Milk and Honey and Little Branch and all of that family of bars sort of created all these drinks, and then all those drinks kind of go into this one master kind of list, and every bar does it. So you'll very likely find the same style. You'll basically literally find a lot of the same drinks at Little Branch as you will, the Varnish as you will, Everlay in Melbourne as you will, Milk and Honey in London as you will, Dutch Kills, Attaboy Nashville, because they're all connected. They all kind of do the same drink. So I'm not really sure who created this. I was introduced to this drink at the Varnish though, and you should go get it if you can. It's really good. So first thing we're going to do is a very simple drink. Is we're going to add our lemon and lime in the bottom of a Collins glass. We're going to add one blackberry, and if you have a raspberry, that's fine too. And then we're going to do 2 slices of cucumber. Oh, I need my muddler. I got rid of it when we were gonna shoot, and I actually need it. I like to put as much as I can, the cucumber on top, because you really don't want to mash the peel of the lemon too much, because you don't want to mash the pith, which is gonna make it a little bit more bitter. But since everything kind of landed weird in my glass, I'm just gonna be very, very gentle right now. So you just muddle it all down very gently. This is another low ABV summer sipper that we can kind of session with. And then what I like to do is take a spoon and then just kind of loosen up what I muddled so that it sits a little bit better. Then we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of ginger syrup. And we're going to add 2 ounces of Pimm's. There is actually a house-made Pimm's that Varnish makes called a Fruit Cup. I have not made or batched any, so you can absolutely use just Pimms No. 1. But maybe we'll make a video on that at some point, because it would be fun. Why not? And then we're going to do 2 ounces of Pimm's. Then we're going to add an ice spear, like that, which I actually got from Penny Pound Ice, which is actually owned by Eric Alpern, who owns the Varnish. So there you go. We're going to give it a nice stir. I kind of want this spear to land a little bit better. So when you stir it, you're kind of chilling it, you're combining, and then you're also kind of breaking everything up and getting that spear to sit better. And then I got to dig for a thing because I didn't bring out a bottle opener. Like a smart guy. Marius's favorite bottle opener is about to come out. Ba-ba-bam, Marius's favorite bottle opener. And then we're going to open our Sprite, and then we're just going to add our Sprite. And then we're going to garnish with 3 cucumber slices, like so. Voila! And a Surfside sip, so we can taste it. Maybe I went a little crazy on the cucumber slices, but they're a little bit big. Fantastic. I love it. Gingery, Pimm's cuppy. You get all that nice citrus. You can chew on the little bits of blackberry that you taste in it. Yeah, that's wonderful. I love that. That's really, really good. Really nice brunch drink, kind of summer sipper. I don't know what more to say. It's just very gingery. You get the Sprite right up front. The Pimm's and all those botanicals inside the Pimm's really kind of blends together. And if you don't know what Pimm's is, Pimm's No. 1 is basically a gin-based liqueur that has a bunch of fruits and peels and macerated botanicals in it. And it is, the main ingredient in Pimm's No. 1 cup, which we have done on this channel. I think actually the Pimm's No. 1 cup is in our 10 Easy Cocktails video, 10 Easy Summer Cocktails. Mm-hmm. That's our most popular video. It's got 1.4 million views.
I looked at that video today and I noticed that it was called Pimm's #1 cup, but I thought it was just called Pimm's cup.
No, yeah, it is. It is. I mean, that's what shorthand for it.
Oh.
The actual name of the cocktail is Pimm's #1 cup, because this is Pimm's #1, right? Pimm's 1, and then it says the original #1 cup, right? So it's Pimm's #1 cup, and then Pimm's cup is the cocktail. But even on this, it says Pimm's, the original #1 cup.
Right.
So there you go. Take from that what you will. That's it. Real simple drink. Kind of a nice garnish. Nice little spear of ice in there, and I don't know what more to say about it. Like, I don't know. Somebody said I was being too simplistic with my, like I was rushing through the tasting notes or something, but I don't know. I mean, I don't know what to say. Like for this drink, for instance, it's like you get the ginger right up front. The Pimm's comes through really well. You're tasting the Sprite. It's a really nice balance, you know, kind of spicy, a little bit tart from the citrus elements, and then you've got, you know, a little bit of that sort of jammy flavor from the blackberry. You can also put raspberry in here if you don't want if you don't have a blackberry, or if you can't get one, you can put raspberry in here. And the blackberry kind of makes like kind of big, sort of, like you want to muddle that down maybe a little bit more. I was being a little bit ginger with it, because really eviscerating that blackberry is going to make sure you don't have these big floaties in your drink. So there's that. I didn't do that great a job of it in this video, but you can kind of really pulp it down, or you can just use raspberry, which is going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot smaller, I guess.
Yeah, and we use that Mexican Sprite, for those that wonder.
Always, if you can, use Mexican Sprite. Or you can use lemon lime soda. It doesn't have to be Sprite. I use Sprite because that's what they use in the Varnish.
And the funny thing about this Mexican
such a good drink,
and the Mexican Sprites is that it's made in Mexico for consumption in the US. They don't use it.
They don't use it down there, yeah. It's because it's very popular. But it is pretty good. So there you go. I don't know. I don't know if that was a very simplistic flavor description, but
I forgot what you said, so I don't know.
Well, you'll see it when you edit it. I don't know. I guess that's it. Yeah, I don't know. So if you like, I mean, this is I was about to end the video, but now I just want to like kind of expound and say like, this is a low ABV cocktail. This is going to be wonderful for summer. And then something that you can drink for brunch and not feel like totally hammered, and you could still go out later, you know? You can like drink a bunch of these and then take a nap and then go out later, you know what I'm saying? And you won't be like totally destroyed for the evening. All right. I don't know, if you like our channel, hit like and subscribe, and check us out on our YouTube memberships. We've got some exclusive content there, some blooper reels, extended cuts, things like that drop in there. And right now we're actually doing a membership-only poll where the members are creating their own cocktail, and then we'll be making a video out of it, which will be kind of fun. And that's about it. I don't know what more to say about it. So that's it. See you on another time.